Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program, FTITTP. Why in news? IGI Airport in Delhi became the first airport in the country on Saturday to introduce Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program, FTITTP. FTITTP was inaugurated for faster immigration process at Delhi Airport by Home Minister Amit Shah. What exactly is FTITTP? FTITTP full form is Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program, FTITTP. It is a biometric-based system which will help Indian nationals and overseas citizens of India, OCIs, to experience a faster immigration process. FTITTP will be extended to the airports at Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Kochi and Ahmedabad, apart from 13 other airports in phases. The program will run on A-gates or automated border gates which will minimize human intervention in the immigration clearance process. The Bureau of Immigration will be the nodal agency for fast-tracking immigration of various categories of travelers under this program. Phases of FTITTP. In the first phase, Indian citizens and OCI card holders will be covered. In the second phase, foreign travelers will be covered in the program. Objective of the program. The main objective is to make international travel easy and secured by developing world-class immigration facilities for international travelers screened through automated gates, A-gates. Working of FTITTP. Initially, FTITTP system will capture passenger biometrics that will be maintained in a database. This captured data will be used to carry out real-time verification of travelers who can then pass through automated gates with minimal human intervention. The FTITTP system will be implemented through an online portal. To enroll in the scheme, applicants need to register on the portal and upload documents. After verification, a white list of trusted travelers will be generated and sent to the automated gates. The biometrics of the trusted traveler will be captured at the foreigner's regional registration office or at the time of passage through the airport. The TTP registration will be valid till the validity of the passport of 5 years, whichever is earlier, and will be renewed thereafter. Under the process, as soon as registered passengers will scan their boarding pass at the A-gates. The passport will also be scanned and biometrics of the passenger will be authenticated. Once the identity is established, the gate will open automatically and immigration clearance will be deemed to have been granted. Advantages of FTITTP. This first-of-its-kind facility in India aims to significantly reduce congestion at airports. It is similar to the Global Entry program offered by the United States Department of Homeland Security. The Trusted Traveler program allows pre-approved, low-risk travelers to benefit from expedited immigration and security clearance upon arrival. Hope you liked the video by Prateek Bhargava.